CEO of Cricket West Indies, Johnny Graves, says the regional board will soon announce its list of contracted players for the upcoming year. Last month, 90 players were retained by regional franchises for competitions, but Graves says additional male and female cricketers have been selected.
20 international men's contracts and 15 to the international women. So they were issued on the 1st of July, and I think by now all the players would have signed them. So we should be making an announcement shortly in terms of publishing the list of players. But we've issued 90 regional contracts and through the territorial board franchises, and we've issued essentially 15 contracts to our international women's team and 20 to the men.
Meanwhile, Grave pointed to the difference in the timeline for contracts.
6-month contracts rather than 12-month contracts, and they are at the 50% reduced pay level at the moment.